Welcome to Easy Maths with Master TGod, where mathematics is made simple and easy to understand. Let's learn together.
Hello everyone. In case you are confused about the last video I dropped, you are confused about how to find the value of s. I told you that you might have to use the opposite operation. You are confused. This video, you'll be able to solve those problems. Because I will be teaching you where to apply addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So stay tuned. So let's start with addition. When you have an equation of this manner, s plus 7 equal to 12, where there's addition there, and what is obstructing the s is this addition with 7. What we just do is subtract 7 from both sides. That is the opposite you are using, the opposite operation. So we have s plus 7 minus 7 equals 12 minus 7. So plus 7 minus 7 is 0. Then here we have 12 minus 7 is what? 5. So our s is equal to 5. The value of s in this equation is what? 5. So we have our second example here. Subtraction. S minus 4 equals 9. S minus 4 equals 9. So to remove this, to make our s to stand alone here, we need to add s to both sides to remove this minus 4 here. We need to add plus 4 to both sides. Add 4 to both sides. So this is what we have here. S minus 4 plus 4 equals 9 plus 4. So add 4 to both sides. Remember our golden rule. What you do to the right hand side, you do to the left hand side. What you do to the left hand side, you do to the right hand side. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. So we have minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Our s comes down. 9 plus 4 is what? 13. And that is our final answer. Okay, take a good look at this third example, multiplication. Here we have 3s equals 12. 3s equals 12. It simply means s is being multiplied by what? 3. S is being multiplied by 3. So if s is being multiplied by 3, for we to remove 3, we have to divide both sides. That is the opposite of multiplication. Divide both sides by what? 3. For to move 3. So we have 3s divided by 3 equals 12 divided by what? 3. So this 3 here, we cancel this here. Is that okay? So we have our s down here then. We have our s down here. 12 divided by 3 is equal to what? 4. That is our final answer. That is the value of s in this equation. Looking at the fourth example here, division. The question said s divided by 5 is equal 6. S divided by 5 is equal 6. Now here s is being divided by what? 5. So since we have division here, we choose the opposite side, which is what? Multiplication. So we multiply both sides, multiply both sides by what? 5. So s divided by 5 times 5 equals 6 multiplied by what? 5 times 5. So this 5 here, we cancel this 5 here. So our s is standing alone. And we have 6 times 5, which should give us what? 30. Please always remember this. Addition, it's always we use the opposite operation. Subtraction, we choose addition. Where there's multiplication, you choose division. And where there's division, you introduce multiplication. I repeat again, where there's addition, you introduce subtraction. Where there is subtraction, you introduce addition. Where there is multiplication, you introduce division. Where there is division, you introduce what? Multiplication. Are we together now? This is the key to solve equation correctly. This is the key to solve any equation correctly. Now try this yourself. S plus 9 equals 15. S plus 9 equals 15. So what is the value of s? Try this yourself. Thank you very much for staying tuned. If you understand this video, it means you are doing great. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to Easy Maths with TGod. Easy Maths with Master TGod. Drop your answer to this question in the comment section. I will see you in the next lesson. Stay tuned. Thank you.